Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your draft reels on Instagram. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. First thing first, you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on your Instagram profile picture, click on the plus button at the top right. And once you do that, the first option where it says reel, click on it. It's going to take you to the reel setting of Instagram. Now once you're inside reel page, you can see the draft option at the top, which is in the middle of camera and templates. Click on drafts and all of your Instagram draft is going to be shown over here. Now I only have one draft, that's why it's only showing me one. So you might have multiple, it's going to show you multiple, alright? Now to delete the draft, at the top right you can see the select button. Click on select first. Once you click on select, a little circle will appear right above your draft at its corner. Now once you see the circle, click on the circle. Now once you see the circle being highlighted, just like this in my case, it has been highlighted, you can see a little delete or like a discard button appear at the bottom. It says discard one, but it basically means I have selected one video, that's why it's showing me one. If you selected multiple, it's going to show you multiple. Doesn't matter, just click on discard and click on discard. It's asking you, are you sure? So yes, I will click on discard and my draft will be deleted just like this. Now before you delete your reels on Instagram, make sure that it is backed up, because if you need it for future use and you discard or like delete it from your drafts, it's not going to be available for you on the future. So make sure to save it on your gallery before you do that if it is an important thing. Otherwise, you can just follow the step which I showed you to delete your draft reels on Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.